Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 14.18%, which truly is very huge. The cost of Axie limitlessness explicitly rose by 4.44% in the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. As far as Axie's support floor, it in every way that really matters is presently $10.21 in a genuinely enormous way. Axie especially has its truly next obstruction at $11.87, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. 16 January 2024, in this video we will for the most part walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts, what in every practical sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Axie endlessness really is Axie a sort of wise speculation, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so on, showing how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 14.18%, which sort of is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Axie's specialized examination, by and large let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, which generally is very critical. The all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $57,212,190,209 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in a sort of large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, showing how the cost of Axie limitlessness really rose by 4.44% in the past 24 hours in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, sort of is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at $96.95, which truly is very critical. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions generally show that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for pretty present moment, so the complete exchanging volume generally remains at $57,212,190,209, or so they basically thought. As of now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so as far as Axie's support floor, it for the most part is currently $10.21, which basically is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Axie in every practical sense has its certainly next obstruction at $11.87, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move really dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in a kind of large manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness, Axie, Axie vastness execution. The day-to-day graph of Axie boundlessness basically shows that the Axie's cost in every practical sense has generally flooded up with a 4.44% increment and lovely beyond 24 hours, which basically shows that similarly. Obstruction essentially is a level at which merchants truly become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axes, coin by and large is remaining at $8.30, with market capitalization $1,096,035,146 United States dollars, which in every practical sense is very critical. Axie's cost changes 14.18% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is floating around $64,930,285 United States dollars, which in a real sense shows that Axie endlessness support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the exact past week, acquiring 14.18%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 16 January 2024, inside an everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, so Axie's cost changes 14.18% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $64,930,285 United States dollars, which truly shows that Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so on. Exhibiting how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 14.18%, or so they explicitly thought. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving really normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Axie boundlessness, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking fundamentally. The Axie endlessness in every way that really matters has basically break all its particularly upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, so we utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Axie vastness in an unpretentious manner especially. Right now, basically bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take Axie's cost beneath the essential help level of $10.21, showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it especially is presently $10.21, or so they thought. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing that we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Axie boundlessness, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking for the most part. Axie vastness financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the essentially everyday graph, which is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and in every practical sense.